My name is Susan, and I was told about 2 years ago I needed double knee replacements, and I decided that wasn't for me. I had had a couple injections that only the gel one worked, so I sought out other treatments, and I tried like laser and red light therapy and a bunch of other things. But then when I saw Softwave come out, I decided to give it a try, and it has helped me so much. And I'm so thankful I didn't have the surgery at the end of it. It just kind of all kicked in, and I could run up and down the stairs, whereas before I had been dragging my leg to get up and down the steps and would stop every 2 or 3 steps to rest my legs. And I was running up and down the steps and doing really well. And I continue to progress, and I can only highly recommend the soft wave treatment. And if you're thinking about having surgery, please try the soft wave treatment before you do any surgery. At least give this a chance.